What's going on? Whoops, y'all ain't supposed to see that shit. What's going on, my beautiful YouTube family? I literally just restarted this video. Ain't no need to even tell y'all why. I just said the same thing twice, but you're not going to hear what I said before because there was something showing on the video that I didn't want to show. So it is what it is. It's your boy Infinite Ryda. I'm out here taking a little quick ride. It's a beautiful evening for a ride. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina, the city of traffic. And today I wanted to talk to y'all about my exhausts, which are the LAF exhaust pipes. I'm actually pull up over here so you can see these puppies. I'm not sure if everyone has seen them before or not, but who knows. Yeah, I'm pulling this QT. Yeah, it's a QT. Let's pull in here. Y'all hear that? Shit sounds amazing. So I bet y'all are like, well, if it sounds amazing, why the fuck are you getting rid of it? And I'm gonna tell you, but first let me let you see what it looks like. Come on, there we go. Oh shit. So that's Harley Quinn. I like to show her off. And that's the LAF exhaust pipes. And yeah, I do got my stiletto shocks on here now. They're way better than my other shocks, but I'll talk about them in another video. But yeah, this is the LAF exhaust. And the reason I'm getting rid of it is because of that. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but I'll tell you what that is once I actually get on the bike. But listen to that shit. That thing sound amazing, literally. So why am I swapping my exhausts? Huh? Why in the heck am I swapping my exhaust out? Ew. I think I see some ankles. Almost tripped up right there for a second. So the reason I'm thinking about swapping the exhaust is because this exhaust literally is just cheap. It's a LAF exhaust. I didn't pay a lot for it, but I put a lot into it. I painted it, I wrapped it, and I put torque cones in it from DK Customs. But I'm still not happy with it because of the fact that I've had to repaint this exhaust probably about 5 times now. Now, why have I had to repaint the exhaust 5 times? Because the metal to make this exhaust is very, very cheap. I believe it's aluminum, but I don't even think it's real high quality aluminum. I mean, it's a good exhaust pipe if you're looking for that really loud drag pipe and you're drag racing, or you just don't care if the paint sticks to it, or if you're willing to put the time in to make the paint stick to it, which I'm not. You got to buy like adhesion promoter for high heat and all type of ceramic crap to put on it. The exhaust looks sweet. It gives the bike a nice look, but after painting it 5 times, I don't want to have to paint this exhaust again, so I'm probably just going to sell it. Someone's going to get a really good deal on this pipe because it's already wrapped. It has the DK torque cones in it, and I'm going to sell it for an amazing price once my new exhaust comes in. I've already ordered the new exhaust, and I'm excited about it because I haven't seen it on any bikes here in the Charlotte area, like none. I literally feel like nobody has the exhaust I just ordered, so I'm excited about that. I mean, I've seen it on YouTube, but not a lot of people have this exhaust, so I'm pumped. And y'all will get to see it once I get it, which probably will be in about a week or so. A week or so is depending on when this video actually comes out. But like everyone said, like in my videos, you can hear the bike. It sounds amazing. The exhaust sounds good. It has that good de-acceleration or decel pop. That's what they call it, decel, not de-acceleration. It's decel. When it goes pop, 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 when you're slowing down or whatnot. It's not doing it right now. I ain't in the right gear. Let's see. There we go. It's doing it. I don't know if it's picking up on the on the mic or whatnot, but it's like pop, 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 and I love that, but I'm just tired of repainting the exhaust. So yeah, we're gonna have something new. But to be able to see the new exhaust, you got to make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll also tell y'all how much I'm selling this exhaust for on the channel if you end up wanting to get it. It's up to you. If you don't want to get it, don't get it. If you want to get it, get it. A lot of people love the LAF exhaust. I prefer to have something that's going to be chrome plated to where I'm not going to, or chromed out, so I'm not going to have to worry about painting it. Of course, the chrome's going to be under another color, because if y'all don't know by now, I don't like chrome. Y'all hear how that puppy sound when it takes off? The exhaust literally screams. It sounds really good, but it's just not my cup of tea. So I've been putting a lot of money, or money and time, into Harley here, trying to make her unique, you know, trying to make her the sexiest Sportster in Charlotte, which I doubt I'm going to be able to do that, because some people spend way more money than I'm spending on my bike. I'm do it myself. Some people do it to pay and take it to a shop to do it, but I'm do it myself. So on do it yourself, it doesn't come out as amazing as do it yourself, but pay somebody else to do it, if you know what I mean. So it is what it is. But this video is most likely going to turn into more than one video. So I'm going to end it here because I don't like dragging out my videos too long. Headed into Uptown. I'll probably be in Uptown on my next vid, depending on how I break them up or how I put them up. Sometimes I shoot more than one video a day, and it just depends on how I actually list the videos and put them up. Yes, I'm going slow as hell on the highway right now because I'm cruising, because I'm on my cruiser, even though I usually drive my cruiser like a maniac. I just don't feel like driving like a maniac today. I feel like just cruising, so I'm going to just cruise. But if you haven't done so already, I think I said it earlier in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment below. It's your boy Infinite Ryda. Stay safe out there in the streets. I love y'all peoples, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.